Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about RESTly FAQ add-ons, how to use, how to customize, or how to edit RESTly FAQ add-ons. For the job, first you need to go to your Elementor backend page and create a section. After creating a section, just turn and paste your RESTly FAQ. You see, this is your RESTly FAQ, and for customize or change this FAQ, we default use three questions. If you need more questions, just copy and change your content and question. Okay, like I change this. You see, this is remove, and like change this. You see, this is remove. If you add another answer and question, change this one. Okay, here is five questions I add, and you see here is 5%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for all about changes, first you need to go to your style. You see this is alignment, like this is left align. I use central align. You see portions are go to central or right alignment. Oh, there I just use left alignment. And background color, for changing the background color, you see, change the background color. I don't need, I just use now color in background. And border type, you want to use a border type, you see, this is one. And don't need, just click to none. And you'll see border radius. Okay, this is border radius. Okay, I use this border radius. And margin padding also not use. I If you need, use this. And title css, finally this is title, title css, title typography. Want to change this, just click here and change here. And background color, title background color, I just example I use this. Okay, this is title background color. I don't need this right now. And border type, need the border type, use this. And don't need margin padding, also use content css. This is content typography. Need to change the content typography, click here and use the another typography content. And content color, need to change the content color. You see, this is change, like I use this color for content person answer. Okay, sorry, this is I use. Okay, then margin and padding, finally icon css. This is icon, this is icon. Icon active color, icon active color, I just use this one. And normal color, I just use this one. Okay, margin padding also. Want to change the color, just click here and go. And you see this is changed. Okay, this is all about. Oh, then go to advanced. Advanced, same, all are add-ons same here. You need to change your margin and padding and position, motion effects, transformation, background color. Then you change this. This is all about FAQ, basically FAQ add-ons. And finally update it. After updating, you got your design. Thank you. Hope this video help you for customize our add-ons. Thanks again.